Hello students, I hope you are well. So we are discussing about triangles. So today I am going to solve some maths from exercise 8. So today's first problem is, in triangle ABC, if angle B is equals to 76 degree and angle C is equals to 48 degree, find angle A. So we know the sum of the angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degree. So students, sum of all the three angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degree. So this implies we can write angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. So the value of angle B and C are given. So angle A plus angle B is 76 and angle C is 48 degree. So this implies angle A is equals to 180 minus. So at first we have to add these two values. So 76 plus 48 is equals to 124. So sum of these two is 124, and if we transfer 124 to the right hand side, it will be minus 124. So the value of A is 56 degree. I hope all of you understood. Now next one is, it is given that the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2:3:4. The angles are in the ratio 2:3:4. Okay, now we have to find the angles, that means all the three angles we have to find. So here students, at first we have to take, let the three angles are two x, 3x and 4x, and as we know that the sum of the three angles is equals to 180 degree. So here we have to write sum of all the angles of a triangle. Okay, so this implies 2x plus 3x 5x, 5x plus 4x is 9x. So 9x is equals to 180 degree. So this implies x is equals to 180 degree by 9, so is equals to 20 degree. So here students, the value of x is 20 degree, but the angles are 2x, 3x and 4x. So that's why we have to put the value of x. So therefore the angles are 2x means 2 into 20, 3x means 3 into 20 and 4x means 4 into 20. So it is 40 degree, 60 degree and 80 degree. Okay, next problem number 3. In triangle ABC, here it is given that 3 angle A is equals to 4 angle B is equals to 6 angle C. Now we have to find the value of, find angle A, angle B and angle C. We have to find the values of three angles. Now at first we have to take 3 into angle A is equals to 4 of angle B is equals to 6 of angle C is equals to K. So now we can write it like this, that 3 angle A is equals to K. So that means angle A is equals to K by 3. Similarly, angle B is equals to K by 4 and angle C is equals to K by 6. Okay. Now these are the 3 angles, and you know that sum of the 3 angles is 180 degree. So now angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. Sum of the angles of a triangle. So now we have to put the value of ABC. So angle A is K by 3, B is K by 4 and C is K by 6 is equals to 180 degree. Now we have to find the LCM. So here the LCM of 3, 4, 6 is 12. So it will be 4K, it will be 3K and it will be 2K. And you know that how to find the LCM. So 4K plus 3K and 2K, it will be 9K, and here we have to multiply 12 with 180 degree. Okay. Now after this, so this implies K is equals to 180 into 12 by 9. So it will be 20. So it is 240 degrees. So the value of K is 240. So now we have to find the value of angle ABC. So therefore angle A is equals to, so angle A is K by 3. So that means 240 by 3. Angle B is 240 by 4 and angle C is 240 by 6. Now after calculating, angle A is 80 degree, angle B is 60 degree and angle C is 40 degree. Okay. Next, problem number 5. It is given that angle A plus angle B is equals to 125 and angle A plus angle C and angle A plus angle C is equals to 113. Now we have to find the value of A, B and C. Okay. Now we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. So give it, it is 1 number equation, it is 2 number equation, it is 3 number equation. Now putting angle A plus angle B is equals to 125 in 3, we get, so we have to put the value of A plus B in 3. So it will be A plus B is 125 plus angle C is equals to 180. So this implies angle C is equals to 180 minus 125, because if we transfer 125 to the right hand side, it will be minus 125. So subtract it, it will be 55 degree. So angle C is 55 degree. Now putting angle C is equals to 55 in 2, we get, so angle A plus angle C means 55 is equals to 113. So this implies angle A is equals to 113 minus 55, so is equals to 58 degree. Now again, if we put angle A is equals to 58 in 1, then we can easily find angle B. So putting angle A is equals to 58 in 1, we get 58 plus angle B is equals to 125. So this implies angle B is equals to 125 minus 58. So it will be 67 degree. I hope all of you understood. Okay, next is problem number 6. In triangle PQR, it is given that angle P minus angle Q is equals to 42 degree and angle Q minus angle R is equals to 21 degree. So here students, we have to find the value of angle P, Q and R. So here at first, we can take angle P is equals to 42 degree plus angle Q, because if we transfer angle Q to the right hand side, it will be plus angle Q, so it is one number equation, and here angle Q minus 21 is equals to angle R. It is two number equation. We transfer angle R to the right hand side and 21 to the left hand side. Now we know that angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equals to 180 degree, because you know that sum of all the angles is angles of a triangle is 180 degree, so you can write it. So this implies angle P, so we have to put the value of angle P and angle Q, angle R. So angle P is 42 degree plus Q, so here we have to write 42 degree plus angle Q is there, and the value of R is angle Q minus 21 degree is equals to 180. Now angle Q, angle Q, angle Q. So if we add these three, it will be 3 of angle Q, and here 42 minus 21 is plus 21. So if we transfer to the right hand side, it will be minus 21. So it will be, if we subtract it, it will be 159. So this implies angle Q is equals to 159 by 3. So it will be 53 degree. So angle Q is equals to 53 degree. Now students, we have to put the value of angle Q in 1 and 2. So we have to write, putting angle Q is equals to 53 degree in 1 and 2, we get angle P is equals to 42 degree plus 53 degree and angle R is equals to 53 degree minus 21 degree. So it will be 95 degree and it will be 32 degree. I hope all of you understood. Now next, is problem number 8. It is given that two angles of a triangle are equal. So two angles, the conditions are two angles of a triangle are equal, and another condition is the third angle is greater than each of them by 18 degree. The third angle is greater than third angle is greater than each of them by 18 degree. Each of them by 18 degree. Now we have to find all the angles. Okay. So here at first we have to take, let the equal angles be x degree and x degree, because these two are equal. So two angles of a triangle are equal, and the third angle will be, so it is 18 degree greater than each of the angles, so x plus 18. Now we know that sum of the three angles is 180 degree, so it will be x plus x plus x plus 18 is equals to 180. Now calculate it, it will be 3x is equals to 180 minus 18, because 18 we have to transfer to the right hand side, so 3x is equals to 162, so x is equals to 162 by 3. So this implies 54 degree. So the value of x is 54 degree. Now we have to find all the angles. So therefore the angles are, two are equal, so that means two angles will be 54 and 54, because the value of x is 54. Therefore the equal angles are 54 and 54, and the third angle is 54 plus 18, because it is 18 degree more, so it will be 72 degree. Understood, students? Next problem. Problem number 11. If one angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the other two, so the condition is one angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the other two. So we have to prove that the triangle is a right triangle. Okay. So here according to condition, at first we have to take, let the three angles be angle A, angle B and angle C. So let the three angles be angle A, angle B and angle C. Okay. Now according to question, one angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the other two. So let angle A is equal to the sum of the angle B and angle C according to question. Angle A is equals to angle B and angle C. Now here we can take angle A on both the sides. We can add angle A on both the sides. So angle A plus angle A, it is 2 angle A, and we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C, the three angles, sum of three angles is 180 degree. Sum of the three angles is equals to 180 degree. Now angle A is equals to 180 by 2. So this implies angle A is equals to 90 degree. And students, we know that in any triangle, if one angle is 90 degree, then it is called right triangle. So hence the triangle is right angled. Hope all of you understood. Next problem. Problem number 13. It is also similar problem. If one angle of a triangle is greater than the sum of the other two. So one angle is greater than the sum of the other two. So what we have to prove? We have to prove that the triangle is obtuse angled. The triangle is obtuse angled. So we know that in any triangle, if one angle is more than 90 degree, at least one angle more than 90 degree, then it is called obtuse angle triangle. So here we have to take at first, let the three angles are angle A, angle B and angle C. Now according to question, one angle is greater than the sum of the other two. So let angle A is greater than the sum of the other two. Now if we add angle A in both the side, it will be angle A plus angle A greater than angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Now angle A plus angle A is 2 angle A greater than 180 degree. Why? Because sum of the three angles is 180 degree. So this implies angle A is equals to 180 degree by 2. So if we it will be greater than, because this is greater than. So angle A is equals to greater than 90 degree. So this implies angle A greater than 90 degree. So angle A greater than 90 degree, that means angle A is more than 90 degree. So hence we can write, hence the triangle is obtuse angled. I hope all of you understood. Now next problem. Problem number 16, first problem. So here we have to find the value of x. So for this mesh we have to draw the diagram first. We have to draw the diagram at first. So it is given that this one is 110 degree and this one is x degree, this one is 120 degree. Now we have to find the value of x. So here we have to use one property that external angle is equals to the sum of the opposite interior angle and straight angle. So at first here it is E also. So at first if we write according to the figure, angle BAE plus angle BAC is equals to 180 degree. Why? This angle plus this angle, these two angle makes 180 degree, because it's a straight angle. Because it's a straight angle. So this implies angle BAE is 110 and angle BAC that we have to find is equals to 180 degree. So angle BAC is equals to 180 minus 110, that means 70 degree. So angle BAC is 70 degree. Now in this triangle ABC, ACD is exterior angle. Okay, it is external angle. So we know exterior angle is equals to the sum of the opposite exterior angle is equals to sum of the opposite interior angles. So this implies here the exterior angle is ACD. So angle ACD and the opposite interior angle are BAC and ABC. So angle ABC plus angle BAC. So the value of ACD is 120 degree and ABC is X and BAC is 70 degree. So this implies X is equals to 120 minus 70. So the value of X is 50 degree. I hope all of you understood, students. Okay, so now you have to practice at your home, and in the next class I will solve some remaining maths. Thank you, students.